Hello everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to lead you through this rapid overview of two of the most talked about topics in technology today, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Our goal is to demystify these concepts and show you how they are shaping our world. What is artificial intelligence, AI? Let's start with the big picture, artificial intelligence. Think of AI as the broad field where we try to build computer systems that can think and act like humans. This means giving machines the capability to learn, to solve problems, to recognize images, or to understand what you say. It's essentially the science of making machines behave intelligently. Real-world examples of AI, Part 1. You might not realize it, but AI is already a huge part of your daily routine. When you talk to Siri or Alexa, that's AI. When your phone unlocks after scanning your face, that's AI. And even the technology that stops junk mail from hitting your inbox, your spam filter, relies on AI to quickly identify and block those unwanted messages. It's working hard behind the scenes everywhere. What is machine learning, ML? Now, let's zoom in on machine learning, or ML. This is a very important part of AI. Machine learning is the science of making computers learn from data without being given specific, step-by-step instructions. Instead of writing a rule for every situation, we give the computer lots and lots of examples, and it figures out the rules and patterns itself. This is a key difference.
This bootcamp was proudly brought to you by the Talent Development Hub, your one-stop e-course warehouse dedicated to accelerating corporate growth. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on exclusive executive training and future bootcamps.
How does machine learning work? The process. Imagine you want a computer to tell the difference between a cat and a dog. In the ML process, we first give it data, thousands of labeled photos of both. The computer then trains the model, finding the unique features of cats and dogs. Finally, you test it with a new, unseen picture, and the model predicts the answer. The better and bigger your dataset is, the smarter the final ML model will be. Real-world examples of ML. ML excels at predicting and recommending. If you've ever finished a show on Netflix and it immediately suggests the perfect next one, that's ML. If you shop online and see items listed as, people who bought this also bought, that's ML making a prediction based on other customers. It's also vital in protecting your money by detecting financial fraud. It learns what normal spending looks like and flags anything unusual. Types of machine learning, simplified. There are three main ways a machine can learn. Supervised learning is like learning with a teacher. The data is labeled with the correct answer. Unsupervised learning is like figuring things out on your own. The machine finds hidden patterns in unlabeled data. And reinforcement learning is based on trial and error, where the machine is given rewards for good actions, much like training a pet. The difference, AI versus ML. Let's clarify the relationship. AI is the big goal, the mission to create intelligence. ML is just one tool or method that allows us to achieve that goal. Think of AI as the entire universe of smart machines, and ML is the most powerful rocket we currently use to explore that universe. So, while all machine learning is artificial intelligence, not all AI relies on machine learning. Why is AI or ML so popular now? Why the sudden boom? Three things came together. First, we have massive data, billions of photos, texts, and transactions every day. Second, we have powerful hardware. Computer processors are fast enough and cheap enough to handle complex calculations. And third, researchers have developed much better algorithms, giving us smarter ways to make the machines learn. Where is AI or ML going next? Future. The future is already here, especially with generative AI. This is the technology behind tools like ChatGPT and DALL-E that can create brand new, realistic text, images, or music. We will see far more hyper-personalization in everything we use, and much greater automation in industries like manufacturing and logistics, handling tasks previously only done by people. To quickly summarize, AI is about making machines smart, ML is the data-driven method for achieving that goal, and their growth is unstoppable, driven by new data and faster computers. Thank you for joining the session. As we close, I want to leave you with this thought: AI and ML are not just complex algorithms, they are tools that allow us to solve humanity's most challenging problems, from diagnosing diseases faster to making our infrastructure smarter. The journey of learning this technology never stops. Take this foundational knowledge and use it as a launchpad for your own exploration. Thank you again for your energy and engagement. I wish you all the best.